Okay, so what I was explaining with this, so I have just started one, and I'm on my second half hitch. Okay, snuggle it up close. Make sure it's really tight. Bring this closer. And then you take this around and through, okay, like so. So that's the filler cord. And then through, batten down the hatch, tighten it, okay? And then when I go back around, okay, I'm gonna do the important. So when I take this filler cord back, going around with the working cord that was hanging down, and I'm making sure that it's really, really, really tight and snug up against there. Around again. Okay. Around again. Or you can actually add another piece if you want to there. A lot of people do for the little round type macrame rainbow curvy things, if that makes sense. So just make sure you pull tight. Then I'm going back around here. Okay. Pushing it in, pulling tight, going close and snug up against there, pulling tight. And then what I wanted to make sure is that when you come back over here again, make like a U, go under and through. Okay. All right, get that tight up against there, pull tight. And then you need to move this next cords over. It's one cord, but it's in two, since it's halved. Take this. This is going to be the filler cord now. And the filler cord before is going to be the working cord. I mean, the working cord before is going to be going around, rather. Tight up against here. Push it over. Around again. Tight up against, okay? And then work on the way back over, okay? So that's really what I wanted to explain, how you do those transitions around there. Hopefully that makes more sense. Go back around, I'll show you one more time. Sorry, it took me a couple days to do this, got busy, and didn't feel like macrame. Got other videos to do. Okay. Pull tight, tight. Okay. And then we're going into the turn and the transition. Now this time, I didn't go around this shoulder piece. I just merely, I'll show you. Tight. It's hard to get it really tight because of the grooving in here and it's thick, but I don't go again around this like I did making the U before. I just let that hang down, pick up this over here, okay, and then I go like this, making sure that I'm filling in that space right there that's left. Push and then around again, tight. Okay, so we're going to go around again. Now, like I said before, in some videos where you see people do these for wall hangings, where they're making like the circular, like that, they actually add another cord on, but we're not making a wall hanging, we're making clothing, so I'm not doing it that way. But you can, like you could add another piece so that it has more room, but you really don't need to do that here. And then I'll just do the same transition. When I get back over here, I'll just pull this over and then work. Well, I'll pull that over, but I'm already going to have this here to work from. You can just watch the rest of the video that I already posted. That's what I wanted to show you.